If you've ever wondered what the CRA looks for first at the time of filing your tax returns, it's not actually the whole package. It's just two things, the most important ones. And most people don't even know about it. The first thing that the CRA does after you file your tax returns is match your income with the slips that they have already on file. The CRA checks for is to see if your income that you reported on your tax returns matches with the ones that they already have on file. When you file your return, the CRA runs an automated match. For example, if you have reported $52,000 as employment income on your tax return, whereas the CRA receives a tax slip from your employer, which is a T4 basically, and it says you have received $54,000 as employment income. Or let's say you forgot to submit a T5 with $40 of interest earned on it. What the CRA will do is flag these amounts right away. That's why you may receive an adjustment from the CRA maybe about a month or so later after you submitted your return. Missing slips is also one of the reasons why people get a lot of reassessments. So before you file, always check your MyCRA account and compare all the slips that you have with you and what the CRA has on file. If something doesn't match up, wait until it shows up. It'll save you a lot of hassle for later. The second thing they will look at is if your deductions and credits actually make sense for your income and your lifestyle. Now, they're not actually judging your lifestyle, they're just making sure the math looks realistic. For example, if your business earns $40,000 in a year and you have expenses of, let's say, $25,000, that's going to raise some eyebrows for sure. Doesn't mean that you did something wrong, it just means that they might ask you further questions. So be ready with those answers when you do have to answer them. The same applies for credits, like the Canada Employment Amount, tuition credits, RSP claims, childcare expenses. CRA wants to see if the numbers actually do line up with your situation. So before you file this year, make sure two things are absolutely solid. All your income slips are accounted for, and your deductions make sense for your actual situation. If you have any further questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Have a good one.